Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Madam Excellence here. If you're new to this channel, you are welcome. If you're returning, you're the best. Feel free to like this video, subscribe, it is free. Share this video with your friends and family. So today I'll be showing you how I made this delicious, good looking Atama soup, also known as Banga soup. Stick around, I'll show you how. These are the lineup of ingredients I'll be using. We need palm kernel oil. We need onions, knorr cubes, bell peppers, Thai chili peppers, stockfish. I'll be using bitter leaf for today. And then goat meat, cow foot. Our salmon fish is already washed with salt and vinegar. Right ahead, we're going to be drying this salmon fish in the oven. We go ahead and salt it thoroughly, and then put it right into the oven. And then for our goat meat, we're just going to be seasoning with salt, onions, knorr cube, and a bit of pepper. We are not adding any water to this. We're just going to put it on the stove, let it boil, and then we add about 1.5 cups of water so that the meat can properly get cooked. And then in a hot pan, we are going to go ahead and scoop out the paste, the palm kernel paste. We're just going to scoop it out. That's what we're starting with. This is gonna be delicious, guys. This is gonna be super delicious. It is gonna be delicious. On a good day, I pair this up with fufu. But I see some people use gari, some people pair it up with rice, anything. And then right ahead, we are gonna be adding hot water. About 1.5 cups of hot water or 2 cups, depending on the quantity of paste you have. You have to be careful, guys. Put in your hot water. We just want to dissolve this paste into a thick consistency. You see how it looks now? Everything is all dissolved. And then we're going to be pouring in our goat meat stock. We're done cooking the meat, and that's the stock from the meat. Just going to pour it in, and then we put in our Maggi cubes and knorr cubes. And then our crayfish. And then a blended peppers with onions. And then this is the best time to put in uyayat. There's a star ingredient also called uyayat. Put it in, bring it to a boil for about 5 to 10 minutes on medium heat. And when it's done boiling, we're going to go ahead and put in our cooked meat, cooked goat meat, cow foot, stockfish. And then our fish is dried. We're putting in our dried fish. We're also going to bring this to a boil as well for about 3 to 5 minutes. Let everything soak in into the soup. Let all the fish, the meat, like literally soak in. Cover it up, bring it to a boil for 3 minutes. And then I just added a bit of salt to taste. See, it's already coming together. And then I went ahead and I'm adding my bitter leaf. You can add your Atama leaf, but I want to add bitter leaf for today just to give me this after bitter taste. I just want to have something like that today. And so give it a good stir for about 1 minute or 2. Let the bitter leaf cook a bit. See, it's getting thick, it's coming together, Try this recipe, try this soup out. You will love it. If you haven't tried it out, try it out. And we are pretty much done. our soup is all done. Look at all those obstacles. Look at the meat, the fish, the cow foot, the stock fish. And if you want to go extra, you would have added periwinkles. I mean, we can't find that here, so I skip that. I'm fine. And that's the soup coming together, boiling. It's still thickening. It is still getting thick and thick and thick. Pair this up with your rice, your fufu, your gari. Give this video a thumbs up, like and subscribe. Tell me how you liked it. Thank you so much. See you guys in the next video. Bye.